The chaos of the LA fires remind us of how easily our nervous system can get stuck in survival mode. Let's talk about why resetting our nervous system is so essential and simple ways of how you can do it today. Before we dive deeper into the subject, make sure you subscribe or hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. During times of tragedy, our nervous system are under constant stress, processing fear, uncertainty, and the collective trauma around us. This can lead to overwhelm, decision fatigue, and physical exhaustion. Resetting your nervous system is essential to help you stay grounded, think clearly, and provide support to yourself and others. It allows you to manage the stress more effectively and approach the situation from a place of calm instead of panic. So today I wanted to share with you 3 strategies to help you restore your nervous system during times of tragedy. Step number 1 is to feel your feelings. Don't skip the sadness, the anguish, or the anger. Make space for pain. Brushing over the pain and hurrying to the problem solving doesn't allow for healing. It's okay to not be strong, to lean on others, and don't be afraid to ask for emotional support too. Once you feel you have enough space and are able to collect yourself and breathe, set aside even just 10 minutes to yourself to meditate. I know I can imagine during these times, meditating is the last thing on your brain and it can feel so difficult. But trust me, it's really what your brain needs to help you navigate during these times, and what your soul needs is to slow down and really help you start to process everything that you are going through and have been going through up until this point. I really like TPM's Deep Imaginings, which are sort of a hybrid between meditation and hypnosis. And although they can be longer than 10 minutes, they are really helpful in offering support and fostering a sense of safety, which can be so important during these times of stress, anxiety, and feeling fragile and raw. Their Safe Deep Imagining they're currently offering it for free, and it's meant to help you source the sense of safety and help you move through those feelings of fight, flight, and freeze, which are so easy to get stuck in, and that like ruminating on anxiety and worry. And so I really like this Deep Imagining, and I'm so grateful to them that they are offering it for free right now during these like trying times. And they also have another one that they're offering for free called Clear Your Aura, which can also be super helpful during this time to really kind of connect back to yourself and ground yourself, because there is so much going on that we all take in the collective trauma and pain, and it's important for us to be able to collect ourselves and really come back to what we're feeling, what we're navigating, what we are dealing with, and so that way we can actually help ourselves and our loved ones more effectively. I will leave a link in the description below so you can find those Deep Imaginings easily, and I hope you are able to use this free resource. My third strategy is brain retraining using both somatic and mental protocols. My friend Lindsay is a PA and she's behind my Vital Side, and she's created different protocols that you can use that are super easy to implement. You can use them anytime, anywhere, on the go, and they're really short. And the reason why she created these is because she healed herself from Lyme disease and has gone to help hundreds of other people heal from other chronic illnesses and stress-induced illnesses as well. So I want to share with you at least one of the tips that she uses, and that is to stop listening to your mind and to listen to your body. Our bodies hold the wisdom and information that we have yet to unlock, and our minds get busy with ruminating and just sort of going in circles with what it is that we are experiencing in our outside world. So the next time you're having a difficult, challenging thought, just take a deep breath and blow out your lips, and do this as many times as you need to, and let the thought just pass through. And then check in on yourself on how your body is now feeling in this moment. And again, when I say do this as many times as you need to, just do it as many times as you need to. And I promise you, you will feel a difference and a shift in how your body is responding to this thought that is creating so much stress in your body. So again, she has many other tips and protocols that you can follow that are super easy, just like that one, super simple to implement on a day-to-day basis. And again, I promise you, they work, they help, they've helped me, and again, they've helped hundreds of other women that she has worked with literally healing from chronic illnesses such as Lyme. So if you're interested in learning more and maybe following one of her protocols, I know that for some time she is donating the proceeds of whatever protocols people buy to some LA foundations. I don't know how long she'll be doing this for, but I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'm also going to leave a QR code somewhere around here that you can use to access her protocols and learn more about what she's doing with brain retraining and somatic work. Okay, guys, last but not least, I wanted to share with you just a little bit about my experience and what I've experienced with the LA fires. Thankfully, gratefully, I'm so thankful that I was in an area that was removed from the fires, and I live in a place that wasn't really close to the fires. We did get some of the smoke and some of the bad air quality, and I definitely count my blessings, and my heart breaks for all the people that have lost so much. And I know it'll take some time, it'll take a long time to rebuild. And all we have is this moment, all we have is this present moment to move through. And so I really invite you to, take a deep breath and tune into yourself and know that by you taking care of yourself and your needs and how your body is responding, you will be so much better equipped to continue helping others and helping yourself navigate such a difficult time and a tragic time. If you are not aware with what's going on, which I can't imagine that you wouldn't be, LA has just gone through, I think the second largest fire in history, and it's devastated over 10,000 homes, has displaced over 10,000. I think the actual statistic is that it's displaced over 10,000 homes. So thousands and thousands of people, and burned through over 40,000 acres at this point. And so the loss is great, but the community has joined together, come together so beautifully. And I have lived in LA for just about 3 years, and it's been just incredibly beautiful to see everybody helping out, everybody lending a helping hand and just being available. If you need anything, people are there for you. And I'm so grateful to live in a place like this one where you can see the humanity shining through, even though it's a big city and there's just so much going on in the city on a day-to-day basis. When tragedy hits, as we can see, the city comes together and everyone comes together. And I've just been in awe with the amount of help that has started and come from such a difficult time. So again, thank you all, for the first responders, for the firefighters, for everyone who's been on the front lines. I cannot imagine the type of work that you've been doing, and I just am so grateful for you too, and for the work that you do. I think I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this information was helpful. I hope it helps you navigate through difficult times, even if you're not part of or affected by the LA fire. I believe that these are tools that are invaluable in helping us restore our nervous system. Okay, guys, until next time. Bye.